Microsoft Entra ID is cloud-based identity and access management service. It allows you and your team to securely access external resources like Microsoft 365, the Azure portal, and thousands of SaaS apps. It also ensures seamless access to internal resources such as apps on your corporate intranet or custom cloud apps developed specifically for your organization. Think of it as your digital identity manager. It makes sure that only the right people and devices get access to the right resources while keeping threats out. Entra ID offers different licensing options so you can choose what fits your organization best. Let's expand a bit on these Entra ID licenses. Microsoft Entra ID Free provides essential features like user and group management, on-premises directory sync, self-service password changes for cloud users, and single sign-on across Azure and SaaS apps. Microsoft Entra ID P1 adds features for your hybrid identity needs, so your team can securely access both on-premises and cloud resources. It also includes advanced tools like a dynamic groups, self-service group management, and password reset for on-premises users. Microsoft Entra ID P2 gives you all the free and P1 features, plus advanced tools like Microsoft Entra ID Protection for identifying and mitigating risk, and privileged identity management to monitor and secure admin access with just-in-time permissions. Pay-as-you-go feature license will get you licenses for specific needs like Microsoft Entra Business to Consumer for managing customer identities. B2C can help you provide identity and access management solutions for your customer facing apps. When it comes to security of your Azure environment, mostly P1 or P2 suits your security needs. Let's unpack the features provided by Microsoft Entra ID. Using Entra ID, you can manage cloud and on-premises apps using tools like Application Proxy, SSO, and the My Apps portal. For authentication, you can take advantages of self-service password reset, MFA, and smart lockout to secure your accounts. Using Entra ID, you can collaborate securely with guest users and external business partners. For business to consumer, you can customize how your customers sign up, sign in, and manage their profiles. For conditional access, you can control access to resources based on specific conditions like location, device, or risk level. For device management, you can manage how your devices access corporate data. Using Entra ID domain services, you can join Azure virtual machines to a domain without needing traditional domain controllers. For hybrid workload, Entra ID can provide a single identity for your users across both cloud and on-premise resources. For identity governance, you can automate and manage user access to resources with tools like access reviews. For identity protection, using Entra ID, you can detect and respond to potential threats to your identities. Using Entra ID, you can assign secure managed identities to your apps and services in Azure. Using features like privileged identity management, you can control and monitor access to resources with tools like just-in-time permissions. For monitoring and health, you can get insights into security and usage patterns in your environment. And for workload identities, you can secure your apps, services, and containers with dedicated identities. In short, think of Microsoft Entra ID as your organization's gatekeeper, who is working round the clock to keep your digital world safe. It ensures that only trusted people and services get through the door while making your workday smoother and stress-free.